Good morning, students. Once again, a very warm welcome to the English world of Aradhya. Myself, Rashmin sir, imparting knowledge of English to the students of 9 to 12 standard in English medium. Students, if you remember, in my previous video, we had done your first lesson from the second book, that is Vistas. The title of the lesson was The Third Level. In that, we have seen how the author, narrator over here, Charlie, he comes to a particular place which is known as third level, and initially he says that all the presidents of the different boards also would not believe. They would swear on a stack of timetables that there is no such thing. Okay, nobody would believe it. So that's why he went to his friend psychiatrist and told him, and psychiatrist told him that it is a waking dream fulfillment. Understood? Then he tells us how he reached to this particular place called the third level. There he found the people in a different way. There were everything was outdated because it was the world of 100 years ago. Okay. Now from here onwards we will continue the lesson what he observes over there. Okay, and where he finally goes. So students, all those things we will learn in this particular video. I would just continue from where I stopped. Okay, there were brass spittoons on the floor. Spittoons means a metal pot used for spitting, so that the other place does not get dirty. So, and across the station a glint of light, glint means flash of light, caught my eye. A man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket, so that's why that glint of light grabbed his attention, drew his attention, because a man was taking out from his pocket that watch, gold watch. Okay, students, you see, so that is old type of watch. Now people have different watches. Okay, but in olden times they used to keep a watch in the pocket of the coat, and they would take it out from time to time, watch the time, and then again put it in. So here he saw one such person. He snapped open the cover, glanced at his watch and frowned. Okay, so he was not happy with that timing. He wore a derby hat, a black 4-button suit with tiny lapels. Lapels means pieces of cloth, okay, on a suit, and he had a big black handlebar mustache. So students, his entire description is given. The person who took out his watch looked at the time and frowned. His description is given, what sort of clothes he had put on, and he also had the handlebar mustache. So old types of mustache, old styled. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 18, 19 something. So that's why it is said that that world was 100 years ago world. Understood, students? So it was 100 years from the Charles time. I never saw so many beards, sideburns and fancy mustaches in my life. And now here he finds all the people with all these styles. Understood? Fancy mustaches they would keep, they would have many, will have the big beards, and the women would have sideburns. Okay. A woman walked in through the train gate. She wore a dress with leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the top of her high buttoned shoes. Back of her, out on the tracks, I caught a glimpse of locomotive. Okay, a very small courier and eaves locomotive with a funnel shaped stack, and then I knew. So students, all these things are noticed by Charlie over there, and all are outdated, we can say. All those things, even their dressing is outdated because it is of 100 years ago. Understood? So now he is sure that he is in a different world. He is in this third level. To make sure, I walked over to a newsboy and glanced at the stack of papers at his feet. So still he is confused and he wants to make sure whether he is in really a different world. So he goes to a boy who was selling newspaper, and at his feet there was a stack of newspaper. So he looked at the newspaper. It was The World. Now the world is not being published now. It was 100 years ago. 100 years ago, this particular newspaper was just read by the people. For last many years, it has stopped. That publication house only is over. Understood? So that's why he's surprised. It was the world, and the world hasn't been published for years. See, it means that publication house just closed down many years back. So how can he see the world now? It means that confirms that he is in the world of past. Okay. The lead story said something about President Cleveland, and right now the president is different. 100 years ago, the president of America was Cleveland. Then now he is not. So he is sure that he is in a different world. I have found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. Later on, when he came into his own world, the modern world, he went into the library because library will keep all the records. So he wanted to get that newspaper, the world, and on which date that president's photograph was printed in that. So when he took out that newspaper, the date on that was this one, June 11, 1894, and now he is living in 1994. Understood? So you can easily say that he was in the world 100 years ago. I turned towards the ticket windows, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central, I could buy tickets that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States we wanted to go. So this particular station, okay, the Grand Central, from there you can take the train tickets of any place in USA. So he went to that particular ticket window, thinking that I would buy 2 tickets, one for myself, one for my wife, and wherever we wanted to go. So I could get the ticket of that place from here. In the year 1894, and I wanted 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. So this particular place, he wanted the 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. यहाँ की उसको 2 ticket लेनी थी. Have you ever been there? It's a wonderful town still, with big, bold, old frame houses, huge lawns, and tremendous trees whose branches meet overhead and roof the streets. Okay, so if you go on some of the places, some of the roads of here in Gujarat only, you see both the sides they have the rows of trees, and trees have been trimmed in such a way that their branches meet overhead. So from below, when you go, just underneath it, you find what? The good type of shade, that is shady area, shady road. Okay, all throughout the road you get plenty of shade because trees on the sides are trimmed in such a way. So similar type of situation here he says is there in Galesburg, Illinois. Okay, and in 1894 summer evenings were twice as long and people sat out on their lawns. So he is describing the summer evenings also. They were lengthy, means darkness would not come so early. It would not be night time. So people would enjoy the evenings by sitting out on their lawns, the men smoking cigars and talking quietly, the women waving palm leaf fans because heat is also there. So to cool themselves, that time they did not have these electricity fans. So they were just waving the handmade fans. Okay, so waving that palm leaf fans with the fireflies all around them. Now it is going to be night, so they would also see a lot of fireflies. Okay, jugnu, जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में. In a peaceful world, so this was in a way a peaceful world. There was no hustle and bustle of the modern life. To be back there with the first world was still 20 years off. And the World War II over 40 years in the future. I wanted 2 tickets for that. Understood? To be back there, world of the 100 years ago, where he says that abhi to first world war hone ke, if you find in yourself in that world, तो it is what 1994. So abhi to world war hone में करीब 20 साल से ज़्यादा बाकी है. Okay, because the first world war broke out in 1914. and it continued till 1918. And Second World War broke out in 1939 and it ended in 1945. So that's why he says that if you find yourself in this particular place, you would have to wait for 20 years for the First World War to come, and for Second World War it would be more than 40 years. Understood? So you go to a world which was existing even before the First World War. Understood, students? So at that place he wanted two tickets, one for him and one for his wife. The clerk figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy headband, but he figured the fare. इसने जो हेड पहनी थी वो उसको फैंसी लगी, बिकॉज दैट हेड वॉज फ्रॉम द मॉडर्न टाइम. So the clerk was astonished, clerk was surprised, and he just looked at his fancy headband, but he figured the fare. उसने फिगर बता दी फेयर की क्या होती है वो. And I had enough for 2 coach tickets. 2 कोच की टिकट लेनी है तो क्या है, उसके पास इनफ पैसे थे, one way. But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me, because that is the currency of the new time, and clerk would demand the currency of that was existing 100 years ago. तो इसके पास तब के टाइम के तो पैसे है नहीं, इसके पास जो पैसे है जेब में वो तो अभी के टाइम के है, अभी मॉडर्न टाइम के है. Understood? So that's why clerk was staring at me. He nodded at the bills. That ain't money, mister. ये पैसे नहीं चलेंगे, अभी ये करेंसी हमारे देश में नहीं चलती है. एक्चुअली इट इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ देयर कंट्री ओनली, बट ऑफ द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. एंड नाउ राइटर फाइंड्स हिमसेल्फ इन द ओल्डर वर्ल्ड. ओके, 100 ईयर्स अगो, तब के वर्ल्ड में वो अपने आप को पाता है. इसलिए क्लर्क बोलता है कि भाई ये पैसे नहीं चलते हैं यहाँ. He said, and if you are trying to skin me, you won't get very far. If you are trying to skin me, cheat me, you won't get very far, because this money is not here. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside him. कैश ड्रॉअर के बाजू में देखा ऐसा कह के. Of course the money was old style bills. उसने बताया indirectly he looked at his cash drawer just to show the author, show Charlie कि what sort of money he wanted. So in drawer different types of money was lying, and Charlie had different money. That Charlie had the money of present time. So that's why he just looked at the drawer, cash drawer. Okay. Half again as big as the money we use nowadays. Of course. Understood, students? Of course, the money was old style bill. Half again as big as the money we use nowadays. बराबर? वो जो पुराने टाइप के मनी थे उसका हाफ पार्ट भी लो तो वो भी अभी के टाइम के जो कंप्लीट नोट आती है 2000 रुपीज़ की या 1000 रुपीज़ की उसके बराबर होगा. सो द फुल नोट वुड बी ऑफ डबल साइज ऑफ द प्रेजेंट डे मनी. प्रेजेंट डे मनी का पूरा लो और ओल्ड टाइप का तुम हाफ लो तो वो इक्वल होगा. ओल्ड टाइप का पूरा लो तो प्रेजेंट डे के डबल साइज के पैसे होने चाहिए. ओके, 2000 की नोट की साइज डबल होनी चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. Okay, and different looking, and the money that in those years were different looking. They would have the photos of the president. Okay, then I turned away and got out fast. तो इसलिए मैं तुरंत निकल गया. There is nothing nice about jail even in 1894. So why he turned out? Because the clerk warned him कि if you are trying to skin me, you won't go so far. Okay, you won't go very far if you are trying to cheat me. So he thought that the clerk would call the police and then he would hand me to the police, and jails were same. Okay, jail punishment, as nowadays people don't like, that time also nobody liked to go to jail. So that's why he just came out of it. Okay, and that was that. I left the same way I came, I suppose. जैसे मैं आया था वैसे ही मैं निकल गया. Next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank. Okay, students, now see, now he comes into the present world. Up till now, yesterday, he was in the past world. Now he is in the present world. In the present world, what he does? He goes to the bank and takes out, during lunch hour, he takes out $300. Okay, and what he does with that $300? With that $300, he buys old currency. because he wants to go back and into that world and buy 2 tickets for himself and his wife. तो तब के पैसे अभी पैसे निकाले और उस पैसे से वो ओल्ड करेंसी खरीदेगा जिसके भी पास हो, जिसने भी उसका संग्रह किया है उससे. Okay, I drew $300 out of the bank, nearly all we had, and bought old style currency that really worried my psychiatrist friend. तो अभी साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड भी थोड़ा चिंतित हो गया कि यार अभी तुम बता रहे थे तुम उस वर्ल्ड में थे, अभी तुम फिर इस वर्ल्ड में आ गए. And after coming into this world, you just took out the money, dollars, and again you purchased what old style money. So he says that I purchased those old style money just to purchase those 2 tickets. So here, students, it looks very confusing. Just remove your confusion. Now he is in the present world. When he came to the bank next day, he was in the present world, and previously he was in the old world. So you see, once he comes back into the present world, then again he will try to go into the old world with that old type money. Understood? Okay. So that really worried my psychiatrist friend. You can buy old money at almost any coin dealers, but you have to pay a premium. ये पुराने पैसे मिल जाएंगे, but you will have to pay a big amount for that. Understood? You will have to pay a premium. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style bills. बराबर, क्योंकि वो अभी कहीं नहीं मिल रहे, बहुत कम शॉप में मिल रहे, तो वो कम शॉप वाले पुराने मनी का भी ज़्यादा पैसे लेंगे. इफ़ यू गो टू एनी सच शॉप, ओके, ऑन that particular channel, Discovery Channel, there is one program, Pawn Stars, PAWN. So in that show, that person's shop is shown and he is dealing with all the old antique items. People come there with all types of antique items and they just show him all those things. Then he also has got experts. Sometimes they come with just one book with a signature of some great man. So he would call his expert and just to say whether this is the right signature or somebody has copied it. Okay, and whatever opinion is given by his expert, accordingly he purchases the things from the people, and then other people come to purchase those things. Okay, तो ये पुरानी चीजें खरीदता है और फिर काफी सारे लोग ऐसे लेने आते हैं तो उनको बेचता भी है. Okay, that way his business just goes on. So many people come with some antique things, some antique statue, some antique book, some antique item, any antique item. And he just confirms whether it is antique or not, and then only he purchases. Then he sells them at some higher price, so his profit is there. Understood? So students, here from $300 of the present day, he could purchase only 200 old style dollars. Okay, old style bills. Dollars were known as bills at that time. But I didn't care, because writer was bent upon, writer was determined to get what? To get those things, those 2 tickets which could take them anywhere in the USA from Galesburg, Illinois. Okay, eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. सिर्फ एग्स की प्राइस तुम देखो तो एग्स क्या है, एक डजन मिलते थे कितने, 13 सेंट्स के. 13 सेंट दो तो एक डजन अंडे मिलेंगे. Understood? So that was the difference between the value of the money present day and the value of the money in the olden time. Okay, students, I think you have understood the lesson so far. Still there is much more to go, so that all we will see in my next video. Till that time, once again I appeal to you to go through this lesson once again. Remember, from your Vistas book only question answers will come. Understood? So just prepare the answers well of this particular lesson, so that you don't have to worry about that. From your supplementary lesson only 3 questions will come, and you have got 8 lessons. So 3 questions will be from any 3 different lessons. But here I am supposed to teach you all the lessons, so I will try to teach you all the lessons. Meanwhile, if some lessons are deducted by the government, so that you don't have to worry, but for the time being you will have to learn the question answers of these lessons. From this particular book Vistas only question answers will come, no other thing will come. So just bother about the question answers and learn them well. Okay, stay fit, stay fine, have a good day. Thank you.